everyone, welcome to highonlife. It's 29th March 2024 and I am having 3 days holiday at a stretch. Because it's Easter and I happen to work in a Catholic school. Holidays are always a source of great relaxation. Today we are about to witness the much talked about and quite a famous spot Kandahar Waterfall in the Sundargarh district of Odisha. Amidst thick jungles, we have heard that Kandahar is an exotic and glittering waterfall created by a perennial rivulet called Kodapani Nala within a few kilometers of its origin. This waterfall, however, is scary and well known for its very exhausting and brutal 1638 steps. Whew, that is quite a lot, isn't it? Let's see how far we succeed in reaching up to the top. So stay tuned till the very end of the video for a very adventurous ride and do enjoy along with us. Kandahar is known to be the 9th highest waterfall in India and 2nd highest in Odisha. There are no road to the top of the fall and you have no other option but to climb up the stairs. So aged people might find it difficult and may take rest while climbing up. And I would suggest you to carry water bottles in enough adequate numbers because you won't find any stalls or shop on your way up. There is a place at the bottom of the fall where one can enjoy bathing. However, at the spot of the waterfall, bathing is restricted. It is approximately about 100 kilometers from Rourkela via bonai, about 15 kilometers from NH 215. We have never witnessed such crystal clear water ever before at the bottom of the fall. So do stay glued till the very end and do like, share and subscribe to my channel. We are just a few steps from reaching to the top and already panting for breath.